So this is an instructional video on how to remove and install the monitor into the Box 13. The first thing to do is to lift the monitor up a little bit so that you can get your finger underneath and your fingernail underneath, because there's a latch in the back that you have to pull forward. And once you have that pulled forward, then the whole monitor will come up and it will come out. So, and this is the latch right here. So it's best to use like a fingernail. That's the best thing to do to get in there. And so, and installing it is the reverse, which you have the three wires, the cables connected, and then you come up, and you have to come up fairly high, and then bang, and you're done.